Всем общий и пламенный салемчик. Сегодня иностранцы посмотрят казахстанские музыкальные клипы с участием Скриптонита и Джа Халиба. Они дадут свою оценку и выявят самого лучшего из них. Так кто же круче? Скриптонит или Джа Халиб? Сейчас посмотрим. Поехали!
Мне в курсе, откуда ты. Не знаю тебя. Толпы потом истекают зря. Можем взорвать, почему нет?
Did you like that? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Okay, let's start.
Not really. I think because we are the same in the Asian territories, so the face could be similar.
The girl is not Kazakh. And you're right. Yes. She's Russian. So they don't listen to rap music.
Some of them do, but
Some of them.
not of them.
Especially teenagers.
Yes, teenagers.
It's very cool. It's not what I expected at all.
Yeah, it's like a low budget kind of like edgy video.
Yeah. And you see, it's like if it was a video or song sung in English, it would be very popular over here. No doubt.
It has the same kind of feel as
Yeah.
everything I've heard.
I prefer more of the girls than
You prefer more girls than males?
Это моя вечеринка. Одна и та же пластинка.
What can you say about the quality of this video?
I think the quality is good. I mean, it's very bright. You can compare to the previous one. The light and how they made video is very good.
So we met.
I would say that the music in the video version is nice. I mean, it's really good. But if you ask me, it has like a lot of American influence. Oh, they say it's too slow. Yeah.
And then this is the time, like if you want to listen to it.
It takes
Yeah.
more than 3 minutes.
At least 7 to 10.
You think so? Does he look like Chinese? Some people say he looks like Chinese.
What does he say?
Sorry?
Do you know the song? Like what does he say?
Yes, he's singing about party. No, it's just he's singing about party and about people attending this party. They pretend to be his friends, but they don't care.
Yeah. Okay, and that
I
story.
can
Yeah, that
see
story.
that, I can see
Like
that.
he's feeling stressed because like everyone's around him, but he's not really.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
The video like emotes that. Yeah,
But I only got that because you told me what it meant.
yeah.
at first it's just
And you don't
I really distance.
it's kind of lullaby.
Так много сук за пресс. Делает все, что придумал мой кейс. Так много сук на вес. Летается в миг. Толкальщик сук вокруг.
I've got certain friends that
You know
really,
people that
really
would
into
like
this
this
song. Like I'm gonna write this down and go show it to them because they will actually listen to it.
Very sexualized.
Yes. She's pretty.
This moment,
Yes.
this is good.
Yeah, good.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, yes. It's a masterpiece. Oh God, you created the best thing I've ever seen.
Ритмы заплетаются сплетениями слов, наполняя строками нутро. И вновь душа не понимает, что же с ней стряслось, но я чувствую то, как она поет.
There's a rapper called French Montana. They just look exactly the same.
Montana?
Yeah, French Montana.
Does he look like a rap?
Caribbean.
Like a rap, this guy. I mean the appearance, the physical features.
Somehow, yes.
I mean, are they using bad language?
Like
Are they
swear
swearing?
words.
He doesn't.
The other ones,
ones,
yeah.
yeah.
We can see that already.
Yeah, we can tell.
So he says he ended up killing. Oh, someone's killed him first.
You waited for that. You were waiting for that, yeah?
Okay, is it Kairat Murtas?
Твои губы в огне, ты горишь из мне, Леди Блако, чоколадо. Каждый пот в толпе плывет по тебе, зоопарк и клоунада.
Oh, I know. He looks very similar to DJ Khaled.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
got it. So the music is really good.
I like the music, yeah.
I like that song.
It's telling us right now, I'm telling you.
Comparing two singers, which one is more interesting and which one is the best?
Billy Part of it.
Jahali. Isn't it because his full name reminds you of Arab song?
It does actually remind me.
Jahali.
I will listen to the other one more personally, but this is one that's more sort of pop. And you can tell it's better. I don't know. It just seems as though like he's putting more effort into it because it's less focused on appearance, whereas the other guy is probably all about appearance,
Like money,
yeah.
And I'm the same. Like I think that I might listen to that guy more, just because like when I'm going to a party, then that's what I want to hear. But this is something that I could play generally.
Yeah.
Or would be played generally. Like I could go into a shopping mall and they could be playing this. Whereas that first guy, I feel like
They can't, yeah.
My last word is that Jahali, your music is awesome. Yes, he agrees with me. Yes, and Scrapey, please don't chase him. He's a good guy. Yes, he's a peace-loving guy. Yes, yeah. Everything's gonna be okay. Scrapey, don't take it personal. Ребята, надеюсь, вам понравилось это видео. Если понравилось, то смело подписывайтесь на мой канал, ставьте лайки и оставляйте комментарии под видео. Ну и предлагайте своим друзьям подписываться на мой канал. А я, в свою очередь, обещаю вас радовать новыми и интересными видео. Так что, до встречи!